I'm Lisa Roberts, Red Meat Technical Officer for Mid Wales, and here at Trefnant Isaf we've been monitoring grass growth and lamb performance throughout the season. We're monitoring lamb performance really to make sure that lambs are hitting their targets and making sure that they're none are slipping behind. But then on the grass measuring aspect, we've been making sure there's enough grass in front of the lambs to make sure they're growing as efficiently as possible. Aled is also using TMR feeding for the ewes, so the benefits of that really is to make sure the ewes are giving their lambs the best start really, so they're making sure that they're proving that they're more milky this year certainly, so they've given the lambs a better start really, and lambs are definitely hitting their 8-week and 20-week target weights. So from then on really lambs are finishing a bit probably earlier, and then we've been monitoring the grass growth then to make sure there's enough food in front of them, so that it's benefiting the whole system really. Yes, the discussion group have come here to Aled Haynes' farm at Trefnant. The main benefits really is they see firsthand how the TMR feeding and the project has benefited Aled and his family. They can learn the pros and cons of what's been done here, and it's just an opportunity to meet the farmer and see how exactly he's benefited, or maybe anything he's learnt and maybe want to implement going forward on his own business.